You know it's hard when you stop talking, like, I'm locked in for real, bro, like, you too, man. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm just gonna be cooking up a smooth underground. I guess it's gonna be something like a pretty fun. Get straight into it, man. I'm gonna start off with FL keys. Fire. Just experiment with the name, but once I figure out a name and I name it, I'm gonna definitely drop it. If you want to be added to the list early, let me know. Just DM me on Instagram. My Instagram, I'm gonna leave it in the link in the description or in the top comment. I'm just gonna range it and let's see what we got. I ain't gonna lie, I'm messing with this beat this hard. You know it's hard when you stop talking, like, I'm locked in for real, bro, like. And all I'm doing, I'm trying to like build up the melody, make it like build into the drop. I ain't gonna lie, that beat hard. That beat hard. That's the end of the video, y'all, man. If y'all like this video, like and subscribe. I'm gonna do more cook-ups. Let me know if y'all want some tutorials, man. That beat was just fire. Alright, y'all. Peace.